Why do 90% of holiday enthusiasts adore eggnog? It's not just a drink, it's a tradition, a symbol of the holiday spirit that brings people together. Whether it's at a family gathering, a festive party, or a quiet evening by the fire, eggnog has a way of making moments feel special and memorable, because it's the essence of festive cheer. The creamy texture, the rich flavor, and the hint of nutmeg and cinnamon all combine to create a drink that feels like a warm hug in a cup. It's no wonder that eggnog has been a holiday favorite for generations. So let's turn it into a latte. Imagine combining the comforting flavors of eggnog with the bold, rich taste of espresso. The result is a delightful fusion that will elevate your holiday beverage game to a whole new level. Hey there, holiday lovers, ready for a warm and cozy treat? This eggnog latte is perfect for those chilly winter mornings or as a delightful pick-me-up during your holiday festivities. It's easy to make and even easier to enjoy. Let's make an eggnog latte. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need a few simple items that you probably already have in your kitchen. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of milk or your favorite non-dairy alternative, 1/4 cup of eggnog, and make sure it's the good stuff, rich and creamy for the best flavor. 1 shot of espresso or strong brewed coffee, whichever you prefer. If you don't have an espresso machine, don't worry. A strong cup of coffee will work just fine. And a sprinkle of ground cinnamon. Now let's get cooking. The cinnamon adds that extra touch of holiday magic, making your latte not just delicious but also beautifully aromatic. In a small saucepan, heat the milk and eggnog over medium heat until they're nice and warm. Be careful not to let it boil. You want it to be hot but not scalding. Make sure to whisk them together for that perfect blend. This step is crucial as it ensures that the flavors meld together beautifully, giving you a smooth and creamy base for your latte. Next, brew a shot of espresso or some strong coffee. The robust flavor of the coffee will complement the sweetness of the eggnog, creating a balanced and delightful drink. Pour it into your favorite holiday mug. Now for the magic. Using a festive mug adds to the experience, making your eggnog latte feel even more special. Pour the warm milk and eggnog mixture over your espresso. Watch as the creamy liquid swirls into the dark coffee, creating a beautiful marbled effect. Give it a gentle stir. This helps to combine the flavors evenly, ensuring that every sip is a perfect blend of coffee and eggnog. And for that final festive touch, sprinkle a bit of ground cinnamon on top. Not only does it add a lovely aroma, but it also gives your latte a beautiful, festive appearance. There you have it, your very own eggnog latte. It's a delightful blend of holiday flavors that will warm your heart and soul. Perfect for sipping by the fire while wrapping gifts, or just enjoying a quiet moment this holiday season. This latte is more than just a drink. It's an experience that brings a touch of holiday magic to your day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fun and easy Christmas recipes. We have a lot of exciting content planned that you won't want to miss. And check the link below to buy the products we used today at a special discount. These items are perfect for making your holiday season even more enjoyable. Happy holidays and enjoy your eggnog latte. May your days be merry and bright and your lattes be perfectly spiced.